Yeah, it's early morning. The water is wicked. Yeah, gorgeous. And so normally we would, if I had nothing else to do, I'd go fishing today, but got a pretty good haul of fish already, and there's more fishing coming. But I'm right in the heart of getting the roof on this before it gets too much rain. So I had to suck the water off yesterday. Oh, we got the roof actually done on the main part there. So the big roof, that's 25 by 27 or whatever it was. So that was a full day yesterday. So as you can see, that went pretty well. And yeah, so now I'm gonna get started on the back roof. Gotta do a little bit of roof, and then I gotta do some siding. So anyways, I'll show you what I do to prepare for that. So my little shed here, where some of my tools are. Tool belt. Oh, tool belt is okay. I need this because this is what I'm using to get the water off the roof, and I got a bit of a pool out there now, I think. So let's take this over here, and oh, that's a bed. That's an accident waiting to happen there. Let's turn that over. Okay, so let's go inside here. Okay, for screws, I need a battery. Okay, let's turn on some lights. Poof, here we go. Yeah, so get my belt on here. Hammer, screws, tacks, yeah. I think I got everything I need here. Oh, save my ears, gloves. And yeah, impact. Oh, I need a spare battery for the shop vac. A little vacuum. That's what I'm going to clean the water up with this morning here. So the sun's got some power already. It's not even 8 o'clock yet, and it's got some heat to it. So that's good. We're late summer now, so every day like this we'll take it, right? Quite a bit of water to get rid of up here. See, roof sagged, and now that's leaking down below. It's actually going down the basement, so we got to get rid of that as fast as we can. It's not supposed to rain for a couple of days, so hopefully I can get this sucked up, and then get it covered up before the next rain. So I just took the paper filter out, and yeah, take the paper filter out, and yeah, so it's a wet dry vac, so it works awesome. Of course, another Ryobi tool. Just like that, it's full. Okay, a couple hours later and things are going slow. Lots of cutting and fitting and whatever. So anyways, got the drip edge on, got 2 sheets on there, and then the flashing for the wall. And I started a cap to see how that works. Now, I don't know if that's right. I don't think it's right, but it's the best way it's going to fit. I'm going to goop that up with weather stripping there, and yeah, hope for the best. Anyways, yeah, I don't know. There's different ways of doing it. You can put I guess maybe the cap should go over the drip edge. I'm not sure. Anyways, I'm gonna have faith in my caulking, I guess. And so now we're gonna come on with the siding. Finish the siding now while I can, because it'd be too much walking around in the middle. I've already kinked it over there. So I don't know if I like using this metal. This metal's good for what I'm doing with it, covering over this stuff real quick. But when I do the house, I think I'm going to go back to shingles. I think it's real finicky. You know, you got to have the screw washers just right, and it's and if I'm going to sheet it over to prevent it from kinking, I might as well put shingles on. So, anyways, something to think about. Not definite yet, but I think that's what I'll do. Anyhow, now slow painful process of cutting siding on a great angle. So anyway, we gotta get down and get some J and some caulking. Okay, this is going painfully slow. So anyways, it's almost midday here, and that's all I got going, all I got done for the day. So I'm just looking out at the water here. You can see boats going out fishing there. Anyways, it's a great day. Really hot. Probably one of the last few hot days of summer, who knows. But so we got, like I said, got half of this side up, and now I got to get this side up and try to make sure it matches and lines up. I'll try and line up with the other side over there too. So anyways, yeah, slow going, but here, that's it. Well, another day, another project here at Cod Raven at the homestead. We finished the roof, this roof yesterday. This one was done a couple days ago, and then this one got finished yesterday. It was a brutally hot day, and yeah, I got at it early, got it finished, around noon, I guess, and then took the rest of the day off because it was so hot. Even last night we had the air conditioning on all night. Anyways, we're late in August here too, so anyways, still got some work to do on this place, the lower roof. I'm waiting for lumber. I gotta order more materials. I gotta see about a chimney for stove. So anyways, I'm kind of getting anxious to get into this. This has got to come down. So I think I'm gonna just knock a hole in this place because there's no light in there. It's completely dark, and there's stuff in there I got to get rid of, and I want to get rid of all this. And we're gonna have make a lead-to or something here on this. I don't know what yet and how, but so anyways, let's get to work and let's get some now a lot of materials in this, but it's the roof is completely gone. It leaks like crazy every time it rains. See, I got my ramp built up here, a couple different lifts. So again, we're ready for the roof, then the wrap, then I'll build a ramp and finish the doors. So it's kind of like one thing depending on the other. So we're okay for rain. We got lots of we can handle a lot of rain now. These places were a little bit of leaking here and there, but nothing too crazy. But I just want to keep the roof as dry as possible. So that's ready to go. I'm happy with that. I don't know if I'll use metal on the house. I thought I would, but I'm leaning against it now. The metal I found is a little bit tricky, delicate, I should say, I guess, because it's mosquitoes right this morning. It's you know, scratches easy, dents easy. You can't walk on it very much before it dents, so I don't like that for that reason. And then if you got to put a chimney up through the middle, it's a little more complicated as well. So anyway, so I'm leaning against using that on the house. I think I'm just going to go with traditional old shingles and stick them down, and that'll be fine. So anyway, you gotta be really fussy with the screws and how much torque you put on them, and it's delicate, I guess. But for that purpose up there, it worked out okay, I think, because it's you know, there's already a roof there, a watertight roof. Let's pop a hole in this thing and see what we're dealing with here. Actually, I'm gonna go in first, take for a little tour here. And we've been using this for storage, so for the last couple years. So stuff I put here a couple years ago now, like some lumber I sawed over Nova Scotia, a bunch of lumber there, doors, tires, furniture, piping, yeah. This desk, I forget, we bought it at a yard sale or something, I don't know. These tanks I'll just make stoves out of. Yeah, just odds and sods here. Some traps I'll use down the road, hopefully. We got an old bed frame, and then that's where the washer and deep freezers are, right? So I gotta fill this hole in. I'll probably put a window here. I gotta fill that in. So, anyways, we gotta get this all cleaned up, I guess. And well, first of all, I'm going to try to pop a hole in the side here so we can get some light. And you can see the roof is pretty bad shape. It's leaking really bad, but some good materials up there, so let's see what happens.